I'd be growing up so fast.
This is our little story and a true, true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
These three watching them show. Morning, Momo. Morning, Ozzy. Morning, Jax. What we watching? Backyard again. Morning, Atlas. Is that okay? Oh, he's watching videos about weed whackers, guys. Like, it's just his favorite thing. And chainsaws and... and him have a wee little weed whacker, but him say want one next one, that is more. So we have to wait till Christmas for that one, right? Let's check on the tooth. How's it doing? Open? Wow, you see that, guys? Oh, close. So crazy that, you know, none of us have lost our baby teeth in many years, but you can distinctly remember that feeling. And when it pop out, you can distinctly remember the feeling of it missing too. Crazy, eh? Anyway, today is the last day of lockdown for this week. Very excited. Gonna push her and get some more work done like I did yesterday. Got so much work done yesterday and keep it moving. But today's a super special day because today is Gio Day. It's Gio's birthday today, so yay, he's 16. Can't even believe that. Wild. Saving like a bananas there. Gio Day. This is one of my favorite pictures ever. I remember taking it right by our room door right there. Look at him. Sweetie. Kupayong. Kupayong. Just finished my workout, guys. 30 minutes, that's all. Yes. And you know, I made this commitment to myself last week, as you guys know. And yesterday, let me tell you, I got so busy yesterday. And I had a live in the night, and 7 o'clock came. We had finished bathing the children, getting one to bed. The other two are watching TV, and I said, you know what? I can get 30 minutes right now. And last night at 7 o'clock, I worked out, showered, did the live. And let me tell you something, nothing feels better than keeping a promise to yourself, especially as it pertains to your well-being. So hope that motivates somebody right now to just get up and do what you have to do, even if it is 7 o'clock at night. All right, Chef Atlas, you're making eggs.
Yeah.
All right, can you pour it in the frying pan now?
Okay.
All right, hold on, wait, give me that. Good job. You want to crack it on the counter, just a couple taps. Again, a little more. All right, now we're talking. Now get your thumb in there, and you got it.
I want to mix it up again.
Sure, let me get the thing. Come wash your hands first. Wait. Come wash hands. Yay! Yay!
Wait. No. I'm gonna pick up the yolk. Eat it up fast. Oh, this looks so gooey.
Alright, so that one is for Jackson, so let's put some pepper in there, okay?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's gonna be spicy. Alright. Careful. Just very high up. Good job. That goes in the sink. Well done.
Is in the past, but there's no
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gio. Happy birthday to you. And Alex might be in class.
Guys, Margie's there.
Margie, we still have Sweetie from when you drop off Sweetie last time. But Gio, you look like you grow again.
Sweeties. I'm grow again.
You grow again, don't it?
Oh my god.
Alright. Say, oh, careful out loud. Oh, is Gio 16? Crazy, crazy man. You look beautiful.
Have a good birthday.
So loud. Yesterday I heard Jackson. Hold on, Atlas, 1 second. I heard Jackson yesterday just under his breath saying, I heard him saying, man, I miss Gio. It's so boring when he's not here.
It is true. The house is lonely.
All gone. Happy birthday, bro.
Pick up yourself, bro. Enough more blessings to come, you know? You don't know. I say haircut still sharp. Nice.
Gio. I have the next birthday present for you, you know. I saw out your single release on your birthday. I'm sorry, bro.
That's not
Like, that's as much I could do this year.
Good job, Uncle.
You say you don't know.
We love you, Jigs. We'll talk to you later on live.
Yeah, we'll talk to you later.
Man's got a single, mate. Man's got a single.
Bye.
Man's got a single. Alright, we're back.
Yeah.
Full up the party again, people. Full up the party again.
All right.
Back in business, so we have to watch and see if the dupes
Okay.
send a request.
Got it.
Yeah, Gio. Exciting times, exciting day.
This song is just like kind of just representing of representation of all the wishes and like birthday wishes I've been getting of just like how it grew up so big and how time just fly just 2 years ago here little shots and how you reach up way up so it's a very realistic and close to home kind of vibe,
Everybody can relate to it.
Everybody.
Yeah. No, I remember we're in the studio. I mean, I guess Sasko can elaborate too as well. But it was very free flowing. It was seamless,
Yeah.
And the way how you deliver, boy, I'm not telling a lie. People, you guys have the song queued up there?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Hold it. Let's make sure so you have it because we're going to play it for everybody and everybody. It is officially out. The song has been released. It's on Apple Music. It's on Deezer. You can find it on what the next one? This it's on Spotify now. Spotify,
So. YouTube, everywhere.
YouTube, all streaming sites. You guys can go support it. I mean, it's only right, people. Today's September the 7th. It's his birthday, people. Give him a birthday gift. Give him a birthday gift and go and buy him first single. Don't be a wagonist when him get big. And then when they start buying music, then be the first one. Be one of the first, the core, support.
We proudly bought it today. All of us, we were on the phone together and we just went and we bought it.
No, we're very frightened. I have it in my phone about 3 different places and I'm like, I'm buying this right now. But support it though, not just because I'm a son, not just because he's super talented, because the song is actually good and it's different. I can't even put my finger on another song that kind of goes into the evolution of a youth in this little way, It just real and it nice. It really nice. And the name of the song is Growing Up So Fast. Okay, so look up Geomar. Growing up so fast.
And it's 2 different, Gio and then Mar.
Yeah, Gio and then space Mar.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I like the Gio Mar and the Marshall and the Mar. Yeah, it have a ring, yo.
Legacy.
You don't know a Martian thing, a out of this world thing, is it?
Bunky.
Such a good song. I called Gia today like a couple times after listening to it, like even in the headphones. And I was like, I couldn't even believe to the very last moment the song is so good, Gia. And I'm
Yes.
so proud of you. And the vocals, the vocal ability, what you show in that song for your first single. May I tell you this right now? My first single never saw so.
No, real talk. Real talk. It's only up from here.
Excellent.
When I heard it, I jump out of my bed and start crying and running.
I can imagine.
I'm telling you.
My G.
The bomb. Trust me.
Yeah.
Bomb.
Yeah, man, it's solid, man. It's solid.
So let them hear it now. Ready?
Let the tune speak for itself. I think this is the moment.
Let them hear it.
Okay.
Are we all ready?
Yeah.
Ready. Let's go.
Turn out a little bit.
Seems like yesterday I was in 5th grade, passing notes in class. Football during recess, rolling in the grass. Now I'm taking extras. I got all these exams. I'm doing dishes and taking out the trash. Everybody! Now I'm getting older. Hey, still not a grown up. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? Yesterday is in the past. Yeah, there's no going back. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? Now I got a strong foundation, thanks to mom and dad. Real appreciation for the things I never had. Now I got these girls' attention, deep voice sense of ass. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? Again! But now I'm getting older, still not a grown up. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? Yesterday is in the past, yeah, there's no going back. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? Now I'm looking in the mirror and I'm trying to understand the man I and all the things I learned before will help me navigate this road in front of me. Everybody again, ready? But it seems like yesterday I was in 5th grade, packing jokes in class. Football during recess, rolling in the grass. But now I'm taking lectures. I got all these exams. Everybody, hands in the air. Ready now? 1, 2, 3, go! Now I'm getting older, still not grown up. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? Yesterday is in the past, yeah, there's no going back. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? Hey!
Hold on to the very last drop. Don't press stop.
I'd be growing up so fast. So fast. So fast. Who knew I'd be growing up so
So good. So proud of you. So proud of you, Gio. Happy birthday, my son. Drop it in the comments. Happy birthday, Gio. Today is so special. So proud of you. From you come out from your land on the earth. We knew, say, you were special and knew that singing or some type of music was in your future, right? But of course, we're still encouraging you to make sure, say, you focus on your book. You know, every Jamaican parent, you know, we do a thing.
Hello.
Baby Atlas.
Hello.
We just played your song again. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? we might be here 11 years from now with Atlas doing the same thing.
Know, right? I'm singing my big brother's hit song, Growing Up So Fast. You didn't know.
As far as I know, all the majors, so Apple Music, Spotify,
Come on,
Tidal.
Pandora, Tidal, you name it. And then, of course, YouTube later on, the lyric video and thing. And then you can look out for GMR in a stadium or an arena near you sometime.
That is it. That is it. Bro, we appreciate you, bro. We give thanks for
Yeah,
all
man,
your
love and
effort, bro,
respect.
and your greatness and your professionalism.
Yeah, man.
Feel me?
Gia, big up yourself. Regina, big up yourself. Grandma, big up yourself. MTM family, up and gunning. Gia, happy birthday again. Congrats on a fantastic release. It was a pleasure. And I'm looking forward to just greatness and all of these things, man. Stay humble. Stay awesome, bro.
Thank you, bro. Respect.
All right.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yes, Gio, this birthday is a birthday to remember.
Wow.
For whole heap of reasons, but definitely your first song. I remember when you came down for the summer, I asked you what you want to get done this summer, what you wish that we can get done as a unit and as a family, and one of them was to release a first song. So here it is. It's a very proud feeling for me to know that it actually came to fruition and it's actually a reality now, out and ready to be supported, ready to be streamed, ready to be TikToked, ready to be bought.
And also, just sorry to cut you, but a big up to you and Regina, who literally worked so closely on this release and made sure that everything came together. Ra, you know that you're in the mix as well, always. The quiet strength back there. Maggie, you know that you're always supporting all of us 100%. But to see the way that we all came together as a family over this project, over this boy who is just so full of promise and life and expansion and vision. It was a joy to see all of that coming together. So it was a gift as well, Gio, and I know that there's more collaborating to happen in the future for everything. You guys might not know, but Regina is who is editing all of those videos for Gio Creates and putting it together and making it happen. And Uncle Roy is in the studio, always creating with him. Like, this is a supportive team around him that's constantly making sure that his vision comes to life, and it's definitely amazing. Imagine if every kid could have that,
Yeah.
So big ups to you.
Jamaican family as well, because it is such a wonderful thing to see the family together, not just here but also in Jamaica, and I really appreciate that. Yeah, Jim,
Of course, my G.
all of you guys. And I love your children like my own.
I know.
Tommy, what we always say, no mix up, just blend.
Just blended.
Love you all. Thank you so much. Let's play the song one more time. And then
subscribe to Gio Creates.
Gio Creates.
That's Gio's YouTube channel. You can find us on Meet the Mitchells as well, but you know this, man. MTM for life. You know the ships are ready.
Let's play the song again.
So drop the song one more time.
Love.
No flow. Drop the tune.
Let's
Play
listen to it
the
again.
tune. Now's winter. The first tune from the young star, GMR. Kick it to it.
Seems like yesterday I was in 5th grade, passing notes in class, football during recess, rolling in the grass. Now I'm taking extras, I got all these exams, I'm doing dishes and taking out the trash. You see, now I'm getting older, still not a grown up. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? Yesterday is in the past, yeah, there's no going back. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? Now I got a strong foundation, thanks to mom and dad. Real appreciation for the things I never had. Now I got these girls' attention, deep voice and some abs. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? But now I'm getting older, still not a grown up. Who knew I'd be growing up so fast? Yesterday is in the past, yeah, there's no going